Okay, this is Lee, and we will be opening the new Roku 3. Just came out recently, and I just got the box not even an hour ago. So let's see what it looks like. Start by opening the Amazon box. Not sure that's so exciting, but the bubble wrap, the Air Plus by Pack. A nice little shout out to him. And here we are, the Roku 3. Excellent. Okay, now I see we have some of the tape along the side here. Okay, so we'll open this up. Nice, it's got that modern touch, sort of matte finish to the box, telling you all the various apps that it has: Netflix, Pandora, HBO, Voodoo, and of course an Angry Birds game. Okay, so we open it up, and on top we have a Let's Get Started. And inside, look at that, look how little it is. That is it. That is the Roku 3. It has some protective cellophane on here. There's a number 3. I'm not sure if you can see that. Like a silk screen on top. There's the HDMI port, Ethernet port, I guess a power port. There's a little slot under there. I'm not sure what that is. The USB port, and that's pretty much it. We have the, whoops. So in the container we have the remote. All nicely packaged up here. Nice. Okay, so it sort of self-splits down the back there. There we go. That's cool looking. Very light. AB. It's almost like a Wii remote. And we have an adapter. Nothing really interesting about that. Let's close that up. And on the other side, we have the battery pack. We have some product information. Not a battery pack, just a couple of double-A batteries. And looks like the headphones, the earbuds, people have talked about. Some extra pads in here. They're purple, soft. And that's it. And that's the Roku 3. Thanks for watching.